Hi friends, this is Jack.
Let's play with sounds. Stamp each wooden letter in the box. Eh, 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 eh. Uh, 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 uh. Ha, 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 ha. Ba, 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 ba. Fa, 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 fa. Le, 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 le. Let's discover words. This is tub. This is sub. This is cub. Show me. Sub. Yes, this is sub. Show me cub. Yes, this is cub. Show me tub. Yes, this is tub. Stamp the ending letter. Tub. Yes, tub. Sub. Yes, sub. Cub. Yes, cub. Let's discover words. This is fun. This is hug. This is red. Show me red. Yes, this is red. Show me fun. Yes, this is fun. Show me hug. Yes, this is hug. Stamp the beginning letter. Fun. Yes, fun. Hug. Yes, hug. Red. Yes, red. Let's discover words. This is pen. This is 10. This is net. Show me net. Yes, this is net. Show me 10. Yes, this is 10. Show me pen. Yes, this is pen. Stamp the missing letter. Pen. Yes, pen. 10. Yes, 10. Net. Yes, net. Stamp the words where you hear with the wooden Yes, you hear in net. Yes, you hear in 10. Yes, you hear in pen. And now do the same with the wooden Yes, you hear in tub. Yes, you hear in cub. Yes, you hear in sub. Let's discover words. This is cup. This is mud. This is nut. Show me nut. Yes, this is nut. Show me mud. Yes, this is mud. Show me cup. Yes, this is cup. Stamp the missing letter. Nut. Yes, nut. Mud. Yes, mud. Cup. Yes, cup. Hug. Yes, hug. Red. Yes, red. Fun. Yes, fun. Now let's write words. Stamp the letters to build the word. Cup. K. P. Yes, cup. Mud. D. Yes, mud. Nut. N. T. Yes, nut. Fun. F. N. Yes, fun. Tub. T. B. Yes, tub. 10. T. E. N. Yes, 10. Now let's discover special words to help you build sentences. This is pink. This is brown. This is play. Show me brown. Yes, this is brown. Show me pink. Yes, this is pink. Show me play. Yes, this is play. Congratulations, you just finished this part. There are new cards in your word box and a new booklet in your library.
Please subscribe to my channel. See you in next video.